Welcome to English Chat Lab. Today, we'll learn 10 daily English phrases that you must know to speak fluently. Let's get started. Phrase 1. It's a blessing in disguise. Use this to describe something that seems bad at first but turns out to be good later. Example. Losing that job must have been tough. It was, but it was a blessing in disguise. I found a better one. Phrase 2. Better late than never. Use this when something happens late, but it's still better than not happening at all. Example. Sorry I'm late to the party. That's okay. Better late than never. Phrase 3. Break the ice. Use this when you do or say something to make people feel comfortable in a new situation. Example. How do you handle awkward silences in meetings? I try to tell a funny story to break the ice. Phrase 4. Hit the nail on the head. Use this when someone does or says something exactly right. Example. I think the main issue is communication. You've hit the nail on the head. Phrase 5. Actions speak louder than words. Use this to say that what people do is more important than what they say. Example. He keeps saying he'll help, but he never does. Exactly. Actions speak louder than words. Phrase 6. The elephant in the room. Use this to refer to an obvious problem that no one is talking about. Example. Everyone seems uncomfortable. Yeah, we need to address the elephant in the room. Phrase 7. Barking up the wrong tree. Use this to say someone is looking in the wrong place or blaming the wrong person. Example. I think she's the one who made the mistake. No, you're barking up the wrong tree. Phrase 8. Leave no stone unturned. Use this to say you'll try every possible way to achieve something. Example. How are you preparing for the exam? I'm leaving no stone unturned. Phrase 9. Throw in the towel. Use this to say you're giving up because you can't continue. Example. Are you still trying to fix the car? No, I've thrown in the towel. Phrase 10. In the same boat. Use this to say you're in the same difficult situation as someone else. Example. I'm so stressed about the deadline. Me too. We're in the same boat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to English Chat Lab for more English tips. See you in the next video.